Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be showing you how I like to curl my hair with a curling iron. I've never actually have filmed with using a curling iron. I've only used the Shark Flex style, and I want to show you how I like to use a curling iron. I have been really liking to use a curling iron recently. Do a little bit of hair prep. So I did just apply some dry shampoo this morning, and I'm going to go into my leave-in conditioner. I'm going to use the Pureology leave-in conditioner spray. I'm going to spray this on the entire hair. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to brush this through. And I'm also watching a live while I'm filming, so if you see me kind of like looking in this direction, that's why. Okay, now that that is good, I'm going to now go in with my Bumble thickening spray. And again, brush this through. Next, I'm going to use one of my favorite products. Actually, the cap broke off of this, so that's why I don't have the cap. But this is the Living Proof texture spray. I really do like this product. It's probably one of my favorite texture sprays. I'm just going to spray this in the roots first, and then brush that through, and then I kind of like to go spray the ends, or mids to ends. Last spray item, I'm going to spray the Redkin thermal spray heat protectant. Alright, let's let this kind of be for a little bit. I'm going to plug in the curling iron and let it heat up, and then we can continue curling the hair. Okay, so I'm going to actually curl my bangs first. I like to kind of focus on my bangs, and I'm actually going to use a Velcro roller, just the bangs. So I'm just going to clip the rest of the hair out of the way first. I didn't really hit the bangs with the heat protectant that well, so I'm going to do that. And I kind of like to brush them together. I forget the name of this curling iron. I know it's from Conair, but I will link it down below because it's one of my favorites. I really do like it. I like to kind of curl the bangs this way. I hold it there for about maybe 10 seconds, sometimes 20. Okay, that's good. Then I'm going to put in the Velcro roller. All right, now that is done, we can work on the lengths. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit more than an inch, that much hair. I'm just going to clip this back. Actually, you know what? Let's start from the back to the front. So I'm going to split my hair into two sections. And then I'm going to take that same amount of hair, maybe about that much, and then just clip this out of the way. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take it, and again, we're going to curl away from the face. So I'm going to take it maybe, oops, in the middle. Wait, I'm going to make sure that it's not. I'm going to face the clamp towards the mirror and twist it once, and then kind of pull it down like this and leaving the ends out a little bit. Twist it up. I'm going to leave it there for about 10 seconds and just unravel it like that. So I'm going to do another section, do the same thing. Oh, and I like to kind of, once I'm done with the strand, or with curling one section, I just move it towards the back. All right, next section, I'm going to clip this out of the way and do that same thing. So twist it once, move it down, twist again, move it down a little bit, twist. That one's a better one than the first one. I might redo the first curl that we did. Let's redo that now. So I'm going to just brush that through and just do that same thing. All right, so I'm going to do one more section on camera, and then I'm going to do the rest of the hair off camera. And again, brush that through, clamp towards the mirror. Perfect. I don't like to I'll do one more on camera actually. I don't like to spray in between, like spray a hairspray in between. I kind of do that after I'm done. I'm gonna actually split this hair into two. Just clip that out of the way. All right, I'm gonna do the rest off camera. Okay, now that the the hair is all curled, I'm going to go in with a round of the texture spray. I'm going to wait until the bangs cool down a little bit in the roller, and then we can come back and take them out. Time to take out the Velcro roller. I always love how my bangs turn out. They look so amazing. The last step, I'm going to spray the bangs with the texture spray that we've been using. All right, that is how I like to curl my hair with a curling iron. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you in the next one. Bye!